To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. Once raised, you can pry the base out and remove the clip. Remove the cowling panel. Remove the weather shield. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cowling. Reinstall the cord. Reinstall the weather strip. Reinstall the pins by squeezing the bottom and threading it through the hole. Once the center is pressed down, the pin will be locked. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.